Evolution is a fundamental process that explains how life on Earth has changed and diversified over billions of years. It is a scientific theory supported by a vast body of evidence from multiple disciplines, including paleontology, genetics, and comparative anatomy. The following is a simplified explanation of how evolution works. 1. Variation. Within any population of organisms, there is variation in traits. This variation can be due to genetic differences, environmental factors, or a combination of both. For example, individuals within a species may have different sizes, colors, or be resistant to certain diseases. 2. Inheritance. Traits can be passed down from one generation to the next through the process of inheritance. Offspring inherit genetic information from their parents, which contains instructions for building and developing their bodies. 3. Natural selection. In every environment, there are selective pressures that favor certain traits over others. These pressures can include predation, competition for resources, or changes in the environment. Individuals with traits that are advantageous for survival and reproduction are more likely to pass on their genes to the next generation. This process is known as natural selection. 4. Differential reproduction. Individuals with advantageous traits have a better chance of surviving and reproducing, passing their beneficial traits to future generations. Over time, the frequency of these advantageous traits increases within the population. 5. Adaptation. Through natural selection, populations can become better adapted to their environment. As advantageous traits accumulate over generations, populations can evolve new features or behaviors that increase their chances of survival and reproduction. These adaptations help organisms better survive in their specific habitats. 6. Speciation. Over long periods, accumulated changes can lead to the formation of new species. Speciation occurs when populations become reproductively isolated from each other and can no longer interbreed. This can happen through geographic isolation, genetic changes, or other factors, eventually resulting in the development of distinct species. It's important to note that evolution occurs over long timescales and involves gradual changes.